Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Thursday, April 26. Stocks declined at the start yesterday, dropping below those Tuesday extreme lows after that sell-off, then turned to move higher on the session, closing essentially unchanged. The S&P led the day up 0.25%, but we're still stuck in a range. We're unchanged essentially for 2018 and stuck in a range between 2,600 and 2,800 since November, just moving sideways. The Dow was also up yesterday, up about 60 points. The NDX unchanged. Now, the Wednesday to Wednesday action in tech was pretty extreme. We had a drop of about 430 points from that high to low, but again, closing essentially unchanged, but positive after moving sharply lower and bouncing back. Crude oil yesterday, $68 per barrel, up 30 cents. Gold was down $10 because of the dollar strength. The dollar was very close to 91 yesterday, new three-month plus highs. The euro currency was down 60 cents as we saw the 10-year note close at that 3% level, that threshold that everybody had been worried about. So where do things stand here on Thursday morning? Well, it's all about earnings. Facebook came out. Facebook stock is up 7%. That's driving the tech sector. We've got the NDX up 50 points, the S&P up about 8 points, and the Dow up about 75 points. Some strength there as a lot of earnings beats are hitting the tape. It's a big week here. 180 S&P stocks are reporting on this week. Crude oil right now up 50 cents at 68.50. Let's keep an eye on that 69.50 three-year high, and then $70 that we've been talking about for a long time. Gold getting back some of the losses from yesterday, up $2 at $13.25. Again, hurt by that dollar strength, but that's not spilling over into the crude market, which is interesting in itself that's holding up. So everybody's keeping an eye on the 10-year note. That was a big concern. That's what caused that sell-off earlier in the week. Right now, the 10 years yields at 299.5. So very close to that 3%, which should be an interesting number to watch. But I wanted to see how the markets reacted, and we did get a reaction, and we saw a rebound yesterday. So to summarize, stocks are positive on good earnings reports. S&P up 8, Dow up 75 right now, and the NDX up 60. Alan Nuckman here in Chicago, where it all comes back to commodities.